Hi, I'm Harman Cheema with Cheema Freightlines. We're a truckload carrier on the West Coast. Been in business for 16 years, hauling dry freight. My dad was a truck driver, and I was just kind of helping him book some freight after school, and that's how we got started in the family business. Our vision at Cheema Freightlines is to become a premier provider of dry van solutions on the West Coast and provide a good place for our employees and drivers to call home. Dobbs so far has been a great partner. They're just located just literally down the street, which is awesome. And we're looking forward to getting some of these Peterbilts on the road and getting them in the hands of our drivers. Here at Cheema Freightlines, we're excited to expand our partnership with Dobbs and the Peterbilt brand, and we're looking forward to continuing our partnership for many years to come.